Friends, it is Running Kimono, and this is the Walgreens preview for the week of the 13th to the 19th of 2021. Okay, so we're going to go through this flyer very methodically, but before we do that, where's my second haul this week? I do apologize for not having a second haul this week. I usually do a couple Walgreens hauls. I have been exceptionally preoccupied with the Dollar General clearance event that will be taking place Friday the 11th to Sunday the 13th. So it's 3 days where items that is in the clearance section an additional 50% off, plus items in the regular section with POG stickers. It's an extra 50% off of the sticker price. So I put together 2 videos that took quite a bit of time, and it took like 2 of my days. If you want to check out these videos, I know a lot of you are just staunch Walgreens shoppers. Even with digital coupons, if you want to look for these vitamins, you potentially can get them for free or really cheap. The Rubbermaid tag-alongs for meal prep, 37 cents each. I know a lot of you will never cross into Dollar General, but this is an exception with this sales event. The videos are made where it's very easy to understand and digest. I've spent a lot of time working on them to make it very newbie, easy-friendly to watch and understand what I'm talking about, because Dollar General can be a very intimidating store. I will link both of those videos at the very end and also in the notes if you want to check it out. So if you're going to see my haul on Friday where there's an abundance of stuff and you're like, I wish, this is an opportunity for you to possibly get a very similar haul to me. So I will link that at the very end and in the notes. And this video is a bit early because Friday I will be shopping like nonstop for this clearance event. Because for a lot of us that are Dollar General shoppers, the savings are unparalleled, and it is both your Christmas and birthday, this clearance event. It is quite spectacular. Okay, so a lot of us received this Walgreens Booster, which is $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $50. There was also a $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend $20. So you would load this in your digital coupons folder, and it's valid from the 13th to the 19th, and it is of a one-time use. Because the word spend is in there, you have to pay cash for the balance. That's not negotiable. So cash bills, debit card, credit card, don't use your Walgreens cash. It is of a one-time use. Even if it still appears in your coupons folder, you can only use it the one time. And this has to be a sum before IVC or store coupons. So you really got to pay attention to that. You're getting 50 on the nose before those two, or it will not work as well. Okay, guys, now we have some deals of the week. Lots of these products, great price points. At the very bottom, there's a BOGO 50% off on Scott and Kleenex. Looking at it a little closely, grab 2 of these items. Prices of this will be going up as the summer progresses. And I think it's because a lot of this has $5 on the tags. They can't raise the price yet, but it's coming. I would grab 2 of these for $7.50, Scott products. Subtract $5 in Walgreens cash, or a register reward if you might have one. Possibly a store register reward. That would be fantastic use of that. Pay $2.50 for the 2 or $1.25 per. That's just an absolutely terrific price point. And prices of this will be going up. It's only a matter of time. And again, if you want to use your Walgreens cash or register rewards, totally cool for this deal. Okay, so the next deal is with the Purex, the pods, the liquid, and the crystals. Although I have not seen crystals lately over at Walgreens, but maybe they'll magically appear on Saturday. So I would grab 3 of these for $5.97, and then grab a very inexpensive candy at checkout, one of those little caramels for 33 cents. For a price point of $6.30. Remember that register reward from the Tide deal the week previous? Throw that in and pay 30 cents. Or if you want to use a bit of Walgreens cash, you can also do that. But it's a very smart flip for some Purex. Okay, so now we have the Tide Bounce, all that good stuff. Downy is included for $2.99 digital. Persil is $4.99. We have a $2 digital. Let's grab both of them for $7.98, subtracting the $2 off and the $1 off digital. So that's $3 of digital manufacturers coming off. $4.98. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay tax for this. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash in this instant. But if you want to get, 1 Persil and 1 Bounce dryer sheets, what a great deal that is. Now the Revlon, see that one? It says Color Stay Satin Ink. That's about $10.99. $4 register reward when you buy $10 of Revlon or Almay Cosmetics. We have a $2 coupon from a recent insert. I think it was the June 6th Smart Source. So you're going to need one of these, and the verbiage on this is so strict that you can only use one. Grabbing one of those lip stains for $10.99, subtracting a $2 coupon from the June 6th insert, you're left with paying $8.99 out of pocket, getting back your $4 register reward, making it $4.99 for this lipstick. A little bit out of pocket, I will say that, but maybe Ibotta might have a rebate, or if you want to use a bit of Walgreens cash to pay it down, that might be, a lipstick for you. Now we have a $4 register reward when you buy 2 of the participating products. The 2 on the top interest me. The other ones, unless there's like some high coupons or some high Ibotta rebates, which I do not see at this time, not interested. So specifically, we're looking at the Colgate and the Crest. Crest has a 5 off of 3 digital coupon, so we have to grab 3 of these. Let's go with the Oral-B toothbrushes because we barely get free toothbrushes. Grabbing 3 of those for $9. Remember, they're $3 a pop. That's how I'm getting the math. Subtracting the 5 off of 3 digital, you're left with paying 4 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, essentially making this guy for free. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, you can absolutely do that. Perfectly fine and legal. The second one that we have is the Colgate. Grabbing 2 of those. That is $8. They're $4 a pop. Subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital coupon, you're left with paying 5 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per. If you want to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, so you're really not feeling this one out of pocket, absolutely. I would do both the Crest and the Colgate separately. Will that $4 register reward print out twice? It was a couple weeks ago, and then it wasn't a couple weeks ago. So just be very mindful and careful in that instance. Okay, so pairing these 2 together, we have an Angel Soft for $3.99 with a 50-cent digital coupon. 9 rolls equal 18. That is toilet paper for the rest of your life. And then look at the Viva and Cottonelle up to $6.49. On a sales week, those are typically $5.99, but they've jumped a little bit in price. So don't think we haven't been noticing that one. Okay, so grabbing both, 1 Angel Soft and 1 Viva, that's $10.48. Subtracting that 50-cent digital for the Angel Soft, the new total is $9.98. Here in Michigan, you can use your Walgreens cash to pay down some of the tax, so that should work. I would throw in $10 and just pay the tax. And it's perfectly fine to use Walgreens cash in this instant. Because we're trying to stock up on paper products, I don't think this is the worst deal. Okay, now looking at the Tide, Cascade, Dawn, and the double pack of the Febreze. $4.99, $5 of Walgreens cash when you buy 3, so that's a really good promotion. Now, Tide is in fact included, so we're going to use this Tide liquid one that showed up last week, and this one, and if you might either have a Peely for the pods or, another coupon from the June P&G for the liquid, grab 3 Tide products for $14.97, utilize 2 digital, subtracting 4 right there, along with 1 $2 coupon from your June P&G, pay $8.97 out of pocket, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $3.97 for the 3 or $1.32 per product. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, so you're really not feeling this one out of pocket, absolutely go for it. Okay, so this is another great deal with the Febreze fabric. So that's a spray that if you have dogs or scents that you really don't want in your fabric, like mildewy towels or something like that, you spray it and then it smells like, a fresh lavender field. $2.99 when you buy 3, you get back a $3 register reward, or alternatively, you can get the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. Grabbing 3 of these for $8.97, I would throw in a $5 register reward or $5 in Walgreens cash, whatever you might have. Pay $3.97. And then get back $3 register reward. If you want to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. But those sprays, kind of a harder thing sometimes to coupon for. So if you want it in your stockpile, what a great little dealio. Now let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. I'm very curious what the Oscar Mayer bacon will be. If it's $4.99 on a BOGO 50% off, $2.49 per pack of bacon, that is a stock-up price. 2 for $1 for the Arizona iced teas. In Michigan recently, we've been having 90-degree weather for the last 10 days. So, keep hydrated, my friends. This is a really good price point for these massive teas, 50 cents each. Hey, give one to a cashier. It might gain you a little bit of favor at the store. Father's Day will be celebrated on the 20th. So, it's showing up pretty soon. So if you want to buy a special cologne for dad or a gift card, I think it's buy two get a $5 Walgreens gift card, so that's really nice. And then also Hallmark. There is a 2 off of 2 for the Father's Day cards. It has to be a card that's like $2. So say you have your dad and your grandfather, or dad and husband, you possibly can get 2 cards for $1 each using that 2 off of 2 digital coupon. The Lay's Pepsi, 3 for $6, so that shakes it out to $2 each. If you're having a summer cookout or a gathering, and you need these sort of like smaller items, how fantastic is that? Like $2 is what it's all about. And cat litter at $8.99 for 14 pounds of it. Now, I'm going to let you guys know this is one item really hard to find in rural Michigan. So if you're in a similar situation, $8.99 is not the worst price, especially if you have multiples and you go through a ton of cat litter like yours truly. Also, like cat and dog treats too, like really hard to find lately. I guess there must be a shortage or something. And then 3 for $10.99 for the Coke and Pepsi. Buying the smaller ones, 3 for $6 is much better than this. They jumped up the price by $1, so this would be a hard and pass. For a hard and pass, no for me. Wait for the 3 for $9.99. So we see you, Walgreens, what you're doing. Incrementally, a lot of prices are jumping by $1 or so. So I hope you guys are paying attention too, because this is an example. So meh. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye.